show. Singers sing what they told, but I know you got some.
Okay, welcome back, guys. So I'm here to give you guys an update slash review slash get ready with me. You know, I'm going out tonight, and I really felt like just filming this because I really wanted to wear this wig so bad. I love it so much. You guys saw this in the month of December. That was just last month. I wore this wig quite a lot before I went on my little blonde journey for a little bit with my blonde wigs. So this is actually the curly, this is the natural curly 360 lace wig. It's a Remy hair, and it's from RPG. I was showing you clips from when I had it or installed it for the first time, and I wore it sometimes after that, a couple times after that as well. So I actually wanted to get into showing you guys how I actually clean the lace after wearing, how to clean your lace after wearing it for a couple times when you have buildup of like glue or adhesive or whatever you put on it to lay to your edges. I want to show you guys how to clean that, and it's really quick, really easy, really simple. What I basically use to clean my lace on my wigs is rubbing alcohol and usually like a wet wipe, and this is how my lace is looking, very stiff. And usually if you just go ahead and wash this with your regular conditioner and shampoo or whatever, it won't remove all of this, and so you'd end up applying the wig again with all this gunk plus more. So you don't want that. You want to clean it and, you know, have everything looking fresh and new. So all you do, I just apply the lace, apply the alcohol directly to the lace. I need at the back, of course, and use my wipe to continuously just keep on rubbing it, and that's all I do. Literally, that's all I do. Very quick, very simple, very simple. Yeah, as you can see, so what I did, I actually went in and really laid the top very flat. I really wanted that top, that really flat look for the parting area. I decided to go ahead and rock it in a center part. I've been doing a lot of center parts since recently, and I don't know, I've just been feeling it. You know, I'm a side part type of girl, but I've been doing a lot of center parts since recently, and yeah, so I did that. I laid that with water and some got to be spray, and I used my wand and everything. I kind of just pressed it down, and I also went in and I wanted to have some like nice curl, like really bouncy curls. So I wanted it because I figured that since it's natural curly hair, like it will hold up curl so nicely, and I wanted that wand curly look. So yeah, that's what I did.
If I join up the dots, it makes me feel naughty. I feel like I shouldn't touch. You gotta know touch and sign. I feel like I shouldn't run. You're blocking the exit with your life. Writers, right where they know.
I'm getting ready to go to an event for Bacchanal Jamaica. Side note, if you're jumping with Bacchanal for Carnival, Jamaica Carnival 2020, and you have not already ordered your costume online, be sure to use my code when you go ahead and do so. You can get 5% off your order when you order with my code PETITE-SUE. So yeah, that's just a little side note. Anyway, so I'm going to a carnival event, so I'm just getting ready, and I'm just gonna be doing really simple makeup, so I'm not gonna be like doing the makeup portion for this get ready with me. So this is just for hair.
If I join up the dots, it makes me feel naughty. I feel like I shouldn't touch. You gotta know touch and sign. I feel like I shouldn't run. You're blocking the exit with your life.
So I changing my outfit. You know what's that jumpsuit? Let's go ahead and unravel this. You know, see how my curls look. These will hold up, and like from experience with RP, with one curling a wig from RPG here before, like these curls will hold up for even like 2 weeks, even longer. Just depend on how you care them. Like curly hair, yeah.
You are summer floating over my heart. We're both dancing over the dark side. I don't know who you are. You got letters sprinkled all over your body. If I join up the dots, it makes me feel naughty. I feel like I shouldn't.
Okay, so look at that. Look at that. It gives me like baby doll vibes, you know? Like, it looks so bouncy, so voluminous. I love it. And it's so soft. Yes, just a little update. It's just normal shedding, nothing serious. Like, it's really soft. It feels like brand new. And I wore this a couple times in the Christmas season, just the other day, you know, and it was really nice, really nice. When I reach to the end, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take my time to comb it out and kind of just like wrap it around, and it curls right up, right up. Give it a shake. And I love the pull back vibes. I don't like when my face is covered like with hair. It really annoys me, so I can't manage it. I only like on one side, like down, but one side always have to be up for me. I love it, can you tell? So that's pretty much it for this video. I really hope that I didn't keep you too long, or I didn't bore you. You know, it's a quick little hair get ready with me. I feel like the hair speaks for itself. Very muted, natural makeup, not doing the most, just a little bit of glow, a little bit of gloss, not doing much with the lashes. So it's nothing you've never seen before, but I really wanted to give you guys an update on this hair. Look at that frontal. Look at that. I don't want to show me behind the camera. But yeah, I really love this voluminous curl vibe going on. That's it. That's it. If you like how it came out, give this video a thumb up. You know, I'll leave the specifications on this wig down below in the description box. Don't forget to use my discount codes SUE15 and PETITE-10. Make use of the New Year's sale going on. Yes, they're always having a sale. That's like a plus. So yeah, go and pick up on yourself RPG here for that. So yeah, that's it for now. Go on, stay tuned to my channel, and you should always, don't forget, leave your video suggestions down below. They really do help, you know. And you see that I've been switching it up, so help me to continue switching it up. All right, really helpful. Thank you guys. Shawan to
Hi guys. So a bit of shameless plug.
What's here?
Hi, I'm here. So you want to save coins? Use my discount code Dimples when checking out with Lulu's. Have a nice day. Bye. See you in the next video.
Tell them about your channel. She resurrected her YouTube channel, guys.
I did my own video anyway. Hi.
You're not in a focus. Tell them about your
So
channel.
I recently started posting back on my channel, so you guys should check out that. And yeah, bye.
Okay. Anyway, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.